In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add scaling text to your Wix website in Wix Studio. Whether you're designing a sleek portfolio, a vibrant blog, or an engaging business page, adding scaling text can really improve the visual appeal and functionality of your site. It allows your text size to adjust automatically on various screen sizes, ensuring your site looks fantastic on both desktops and mobile devices. Let's dive right into the process. First, head over to your Wix Studio dashboard. Once you're there, locate the specific text you wish to make dynamic. This could be a title, subtitle, or any text element on your page that you want to respond differently on varied screen sizes. Click on the text to select it. You'll notice options appear related to how you can modify it. So let's focus on making it responsive. As you have the text selected, look for the drop-down menu labeled Responsive Behavior. When you click on this, you'll see a few options. What we're interested in here are custom scale and scale proportionally. Choosing custom scale lets you have a bit more flexibility as it allows control over exactly how much the text grows or shrinks relative to the screen size. Scale proportionally is useful when you want to keep the resizing simple and uniform across different texts. Your choice really depends on the level of customization you need for your design. In case you want to go a notch higher in precision regarding your text sizes, Wix Studio has you covered. Head over to the Design tab, which you'll find in the Inspector panel. This is where you can specify exact dimensions on the minimum and maximum size your text can be scaled to. This feature is crucial for maintaining readability and aesthetics, especially on different devices. Go ahead and click on the Max-Min option in this section. Here, you can input the minimum size limit and the maximum size limit for your text. These boundaries ensure that no matter how much your text scales, it remains within a readable and aesthetically pleasing size. Experimenting with these values is key, as it allows you to determine what scales best with the overall design of your website. You might want to consider the general layout and content to find an ideal text size range that complements your page's design. That's it for today's walkthrough on adding scaling text to your Wix website. Remember, playing around with the values will give you a feel of what looks best for your site's unique style. This minor adjustment can make a significant impact, providing a top-notch experience for your site's visitors, regardless of the device they're using. Thank you for watching, and happy designing on Wix Studio.